In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share your calendar in a Microsoft Outlook email. If you need to let someone see your availability, coordinate meetings more easily, or even give them permission to help manage your schedule, Outlook makes that process very straightforward. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to go and what to select so you can share your calendar with the right level of access. To begin, open Outlook and go to your inbox. This is your starting point, and from here you'll be able to switch over to the calendar area where sharing settings are managed. If you're already signed in, you should see your usual mail view with your folders and messages. Next, look to the left-hand vertical menu and click the calendar icon. This will take you out of your email inbox and into your calendar view. Once you're there, you'll see your schedule along with a top row of options that gives you different ways to manage your calendar. In that top row, click on Share Calendar. This opens the sharing panel where you can choose who you want to share your calendar with. This is the key area for sending calendar access to another person through Outlook. Now type in the recipient you want to share your calendar with. As you begin typing, Outlook may suggest matching contacts. When the correct person appears, click on their name to select them. This helps make sure the calendar is being shared with the intended recipient, especially if there are similar names in your contact list. After selecting the recipient, click on the Access drop-down. This is where you decide how much access that person should have. You can choose whether they can view all details, which is useful if you simply want them to see your schedule, or you can allow them to edit, which is better if they need to help manage appointments or make changes on your behalf. Take a moment here to choose carefully, since this setting controls what they'll be able to do with your calendar. Once everything looks right, click Share. That will send the calendar sharing invitation and apply the permission level you selected. From there, the recipient will be able to access your calendar according to the permissions you gave them. And that's it. Sharing your Outlook calendar only takes a minute. Once you know where to find the option, just go to your inbox, open the calendar, select Share Calendar, choose your recipient, set the access level, and click Share. This is a simple way to improve scheduling and make collaboration much easier.